Hi there, welcome back to another week of Counter-Strike game and skin market update. This is Skinomics2, and this video covers the 22nd to 29th of July 2024. Without further ado, let's dive right in. This week's headline deviates from the skin market a little bit, but it is important to every Counter-Strike player nevertheless. I want to talk about Razer's SnapTap feature, as well as Wooting's response in SOCD. I suggest you check out Optimum's last two videos if you are interested in this topic. The clip on screen is from his latest video. What these two companies have done is brought out a feature which overrides the last input when you press a new key. For the movement keys, this means that you will have perfect counter strafes in Counter-Strike every time. The clickbait title is partially true. Valve and tournament hosts have yet to provide a response to whether this will be allowed in tournaments in the future. Currently, players are allowed to use it. However, more importantly, as this is at a hardware level, it means that even if not allowed in tournaments, normal average Joes like me and most of my audiences are allowed to use it in public matches without any ramifications. This is an ongoing situation. Moving on, let's take a look at our weekly craft idea. This one's a bit of a shout out to my fellow Australian man Liazz. By placing his 2023 Paris stickers in a horizontal line, you can create an infinite ZZZ pattern, which can represent sleeping, but is also very cool looking in general. It is also very cheap. The hollow version of this sticker is less than 30 cents US dollars in cash price, whereas the glitter version is less than 1 cent US dollars in cash price. Both can be used. Taking a look now at the skins market, we finally have some substantial positive movements in the market with a 1.99% increase in the portfolio of skins I have selected to represent the market. This is great news, and I sincerely hope this trend continues. Moving on to the trade volume, thanks again to iTrade.gg. The trade volume is once again stable at between 85,000 to 90,000 trades per day on transactions above 0.9 US dollars. Now, let's break the market movements down into categories. Knives and gloves are predominantly positive. There were no standout winners, but the category saw mostly increases. High-tiered weapon skins are also in the same boat. Most inventories should see some decent rises with these two categories increasing in value. Agent skins follow the trend, highlighting number K with a significant bounce back from weeks prior. Last but not least, affordable weapon skins have seen increases as well. This is the backbone of the market, and this is again great news. Looking at case unboxing numbers, they are stable, hovering at about the 3.5 million mark. There is not too much to say about this, so we will move on to case prices. Non-active cases have enjoyed some increases again this week, noting the OG weapon cases sell for over 110 US dollars now on the Steam's market. We see the same trend in active cases this week. Most cases have remained stable or increased in price. Let's now take a peek at this week's biggest winners and losers. The winners this week involve two lesser known skins from the Shadow Web collection and Chop Shop collection respectively. The Arctic Wolf is a cool AUG skin, which I think the price rise is justified by market demand. Whereas the Paragreen USPS trades up to the M4A1 Hot Rod and Glock Twilight Galaxy, which are both very popular skins in CS2. Other than that, we see the Poison Frog stickers again increasing in price. These fluctuate wildly, so I will not pay too much attention to them. In losers, Starry stickers lose value as demand from China declines. Case hardened skins have also been losing interest in general. And lastly, the Team Kingwin sticker is thinly traded. Looking at game news, there was one update this week, and it is actually quite significant for Dust 2. The map received a change whereby you can self-boost onto short from CT. This will tilt things in the favour of CT in a significant way, as CTs will be able to take both long and short within the first 20 seconds of the round. Other than that, London servers were also added. Cue the obligatory knife memes with this. Next, turning our attention to the pro scene. The ESports World Cup last week was won by Na'Vi, and after the win, JR received his in-game trophy for the Copenhagen Major played 4 months ago. He was ecstatic, as he has been begging for the trophy to Valve numerous times in between. This week, the tournament in focus is the Sky Esports Championship held in India. The tournament was received poorly as players complained about the state of the PCs and postponement due to electricity outage. BetBoom also quit the event due to these issues. Lastly, there were no notable transfers this week, hence this is the end of the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in and see you in the next one. Bye.